Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I believe that every home cook should master some professional chef skills such as cutting techniques. There are so many different cuts such as brunoise, julienne, paysanne, chiffonade, and so on. The one I'll be demonstrating today is the Lyonnaise cut using an onion. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll cut a peeled onion in half. Then we'll take one half, and as you see on a diagram, we'll make angled cuts near the bottom to the center of the onion, working our way vertically to the top. So this is how we do it. Depending on the size of the onion, we'll make either 4, 5, or even more slices to the top, keeping them as even as possible. See, just like this. We'll end up with long, thin strips referred to as Lyonnaise cut. As you saw in this video, this cut is probably something you already knew, but were not familiar with the term. If you weren't, now you have another knife skill you'll be doing like a pro. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!